Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for my voice, still have a cold. So these are ballerinas for this week. I'm going to do mail form for this week. Please ignore some of the drawings because it's taken me a couple of drawings to actually get back into it. I've had a couple of days off. So good speed, less lines, less pressure on the pencil, and I utilised geometric, observational and a slight gestural for all three. However, the third one I did try to actually do a lot quicker and a lot simplified lines and just kind of, it was a lot more gestural for the third one. It just didn't really work out, I would say, up to there. And then, I don't know what, let me know what you think, where you think it's going wrong. I don't know whether it's maybe too long. Maybe that's what it is, I don't know. Let me know what you think, but yeah, this stance was quite a challenge, and I'm really enjoying actually doing difficult challenges or difficult poses for me to actually sketch, because it's pushing me out of my comfort zone and making me learn very quickly and analyze how to actually approach the sketch and effectively. So let me know what you think and what you're utilising to basically create the sketches or art methods that you, or utilising the art methods that you really enjoy and find effective. Yep, drop me a line. See you later.